how to remove background in Final Cut Pro without green screen. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will just have to open up your Final Cut Pro, and suppose I want to remove the background over here. So for this, I will just simply select this particular layer over here and open up the effects and then search for mask. And here you get this option of draw mask. Simply click and drop it over here. Let me copy this slide, so in case anything goes wrong, I can just simply delete and restart. So this is how it will appear. Now I can, suppose I want to make a removal of background from here. So I will just simply point these markers and simply connect it with this one. And since we have this same video in the background, we need to blur it out or make it invisible so we can see how it appears. So this is how you get it. Now we can invert this particular mask in order to see just that particular part. We can also move around this mask if you want to see the background. And this is how it will appear. We can also do it with the face and the body, but we will have to move this particular mask frame by frame in order to make it look good. So this is how you would be able to play around with this particular mask, and you can also switch it up this way. You can change its shape. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.